Yoshi, I never saw this pipe there. Do you know what it's for? Yoshi! Yes! Yoshi! Alright, what's in there? Oh! No, he's running out! Togekiss, capture him! No! Togekiss! Togekiss! Holy crap, Mario, did you see that? Shut up, you stupid toad. You're so stupid. I'm gonna choke you, you stupid toad. Oh no, please, Luigi. It won't fit on my head. Yes, it will. Leave him hanging over there. Face me, Luigi. Luigi gained 5,000 million experience points gained. Luigi learned fart. Yeah, I'll use that all the time. Luigi, go Luigi, go Luigi, go Luigi, go. Go Luigi, 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 go Luigi. Would you stop? I gained 5,000 million experience points and learned Fireball. Let's go get Yoshi. Dun 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 dun. Oh, Luigi, you think he's knocked out? Yoshi, Yoshi. No, Mario, think it's fainted, you stupid idiot. Sorry, Down. Oh no, Luigi! Down. Huh? Mario? No. Keep on facing him. I don't need a fist fight. Yes. No. Oh, no, we don't fit. No. No. Wait, which warp pipe did I go through? I went through the rainbow one. Crap, I need to go through the other one again. No. Oh, I think this is right. What's Togekiss doing? That Togekiss, what are you? No, Togekiss.
This is no fun by yourself.
Point. No. Yoshi, what is Togekiss doing? Togekiss, what are you? Yosh.
Meanwhile, Mario and Luigi. Hey Mario, hey Luigi, I just finished your air hockey set.
What's at them?
I just finished your air hockey set.
Okay. Okay.
Who goes first?
Wait, how do you play?
Okay, you take the puck, you put it in the center field. Let me turn it on for you guys. And Luigi goes first. Oh yeah, go Luigi, go Luigi. I'm gonna win you. Oh yeah, 7 points wins. No!
Yeah.
No! Mario, you will not win. No!
Yes! Another one.
Oh,
Oh no! Oh, dang.
haha. No.
Get up, get up. No!
No. Oh!
Get.
How many points do you have?
3.
No! 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 Luigi will cheat for this. No!
I get a point because you made it out.
No! No! I swear. Did he go in? Where did it go? No! It did make the point.
You can't get it.
Yes!
Dang.
Luigi finally made a point.
Luigi!
No!
Darn it.
How many points do you have?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh no!
6.
You have 6! Oh, oh! You better hurry! Oh, oh! No!
I didn't even touch it.
Oh, Mario, you win!
Yeah, I get it.
It's a fun game!
I'm not going to play again because I was stupid.
Oh, you're stupid too, Mario.
Okay, so, okay.
Oh yeah! Did I forget to tell you? This thing will warp you to wherever you want to go thanks to the air.
Oh, okay. I'll put all my points there.
And all Luigi's points right here.
Oh, stop tipping me. And then, come on, Luigi.
Where will we go?
I don't know. No. Come on.
No, they get blasted. You're supposed to make a blasted sound.
Woohoo! Ow! 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 Whoa! Helicopter! Whoa! How do we get here? Oh, maybe I should turn the computer on. Maybe we could turn, see what Toad and Yoshi are doing, and Koopa and and those crappers. Okay, turn on, you stupid thing. Oh, window, shut up. I said no. Bam! Mario, that was not cool right there. I was like stupid. Boom! Just stop fighting. Yes, it's on. Welcome. Let me on, you stupid. Boy. It says welcome. I hate when it says welcome. Well, we're just doing another video with the computer, so bye.